I'm going to show you guys about these raised garden beds here. Now this is by ANLEOLIFE. I was sent these to test out, and here is how everything arrived in the box. You're going to get everything complete with a fully understandable instruction pamphlet. Easy to read. It's going to come with a little Phillips screwdriver here, all of your nuts and your bolts. You're just going to overlap each piece kind of like this. You're going to push in the screw, and on the other side you're going to go ahead and add that wing nut and just spin it until it tightens. You can use this Phillips screwdriver. Now, what we noticed about these is that these are quality made. They're built to last with corrosion-resistant galvanized steel. The modularity and flexible design creates a dream garden layout. So basically, when you get these, you don't need any other tools. It's easy assembly. I was able to do these myself. It took about 30 minutes for both of them. This is a tool-free assembly. It's no expertise needed. These are raised height for gardens. So this is the ergonomic height, and it saves on your back and keeps pests out. It's aesthetic and modern looking. Very sleek design, and it's going to enhance your outdoor living space. This is going to look perfectly in our garden. Here, my husband has added them to the side here. We're going to go ahead and fill them up. But what we did notice was that you're able to handle them without worrying about the very extreme sharp edges. We really like this feature because we like to be able to move them around. And if we happen to lean into it or use our hand on the side of it, we're not worried about those sharp edges.